This high-strength isopropyl alcohol from Evita Derm provides a very pure 99% concentration that professionals can rely on for demanding industrial and laboratory tasks. The 4-gallon total volume supplied in multiple large containers is well suited for facilities that go through solvent quickly and need fewer reorder interruptions. Because it is an anhydrous formulation, it leaves minimal residual moisture, which is ideal for moisture-sensitive cleaning, degreasing, and electronics-related applications where fast evaporation matters. Consistent batch quality from an established manufacturer gives this product dependable performance, so results stay repeatable across different projects and production runs. The clear labeling and industrial-grade packaging make it straightforward to integrate into existing safety protocols and storage systems in workshops, labs, or manufacturing environments. Overall, this is a strong choice for users who need a bulk supply of high-purity isopropyl alcohol, specifically tailored for external, technical, and manufacturing use rather than casual household tasks.